If you use a walker or a cane, going up and down curbs can be a challenge. Now, if there's a curb cut or a ramp like that, you'll obviously want to use it. But if you find yourself in a situation where there isn't a ramp, I'll show you some tips on how to go up and down a curb using a cane, a walker, and a rollator. So let's start out with the cane. That's the smallest device, and so there's the least amount to manage. When you're approaching the curb, you're going to step up with your good leg and then come back down, leading with your bad leg. You'll use the cane in the opposite hand as the bad leg. So in this situation, this is going to be the bad leg. When you're stepping up against the curb, you'll want to lead up with your good leg and then press up and then bring the other leg along with it. Coming back down, you're going to put the cane down first, lead with the bad leg, and then come back down. So that's going up and down with the cane. Again, step up with the good, and then come back down, leading with the cane and the bad. Now moving on to the wheeled walker. This is a two-wheeled walker with skis on the back. So you're going to walk up to the curb like this. This is pretty light, so you can just lift it, set it up on the curb, make sure it's fully on the curb, get as close to it as you can, and then push up using your leg and arms. Again, up with the good and down with the bad. And then bring the device down fully to the stair below you or to the curb below you. And then step down using your bad leg first. So this will be down with the bad. I think I may have gotten those messed up in the video. You put the walker up, step up with your good leg first, press up, and then come back down, put the walker down first, go down with the bad leg first. So that was the rolling walker. Now for the rollator walker. This one is a little bit heavier, so you're going to roll this up to the curb. This one has larger wheels, which makes it a little easier, but if it doesn't have large wheels like this one, you just pop a little wheelie on it, set it up there, then roll it on. Once you have it fully onto the top surface, then you're going to squeeze the brakes. That locks it in place so it won't roll on you. Step up with the good, press up, and then come back along. Then you're going to roll it down again, squeeze the brakes so it doesn't get away with you, go down with the bad. So again, one more time, roll it up to the curb, pop a wheelie, come up, bring it up, squeeze the brakes, step up with your good leg first, and then roll around, coming back down. You go down with the front wheels, down with the back wheels, lock it in place, and lead down with the bad leg first. So that was just a quick video showing you how to go up and down curbs with a cane, walker, and rollator. If you did find it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future tips. And for more balance and mobility tips for seniors, check out this playlist over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.